In today's video, I'm going to show you how to display the percent of your total in a pivot table right here in Google Sheets. So if you're working on a set of data and you created a pivot table just so you can have a better read on your data set, and you want to display the percent of total in your pivot table, here's how you can do it. So I have 3 pivot tables right here located in one sheet or tab. Now you can have these in separate tabs, that's totally up to you, but this is just for example's sake in how I'm going to show you how to display your percent of total on these pivot tables. So for my first pivot table, I have here my sum of sales amounts by region. The second one would be my sum of units sold by product. And the last one is the sum of sales amount by salesperson. Now, if I want to know the percentage of how much each region contributes to the company's total sales amounts, what I'm going to do is to go to the edit button at the bottom of each pivot table. So if I click on this one right here, the only pivot table that I'm editing would be the first one. So if I want to display this in percentage out of our total, what I'm going to do is to go to the bottom, go to my values, and select the show as default. So we're going to change the default right here. There's a drop down, and here we have our 4 options, and one of those options would be our percentage of grand total. If we click on that, now it doesn't display those sales amounts as values, but as percentage out of the total right here. So again, we can read this as simple amounts or simple values, but we can also view them as percentages out of our grand total. So with this one, we're quickly and able to see which region has the highest contribution with our grand total. We can also do that with our second pivot table right here. If I were to click on this one, you'll see that the pivot table editor has changed. We have our product for our rows and our units sold for our values. And again, if we want to display that percentage of total, go back to our default right here and select percent of grand total. And there you have it. And again, it shows which one has the lowest out of that total and the highest, which again makes it easier for us to read and compare our data. And for the last one, if I were to close this off and again open that pivot table editor, there you have it. We have our salesperson for a row and our sum of sales amount for our values. Go to your default right here, select percent of grand total, and there you have it. So that's how easy it is. You can display the percent of total in your pivot tables right here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.